Zafar, faculty of HND Business, teaching various marketing courses at TMUC. These marketing courses that I'm teaching actually gives you knowledge along with the practical approach of understanding the business out there in the real world scenarios. Our learning outcomes and the whole courses is designed in a way that gives you hands-on experience to interact with the corporate world, and that is what I think the employers are valuing these days. The agent graduates have an opportunity to get enrolled in TOPA programs offered by top-notch universities like University of Hertfordshire. These students are equipped with practical skills, so they have a very good opportunity to apply to the workplaces and start their professional career immediately. These students are also interested in businesses, so they can start the business because now they have an in-depth knowledge of how businesses are operating in various economic situations. Most of the students have enrolled themselves in TOPA programs offered at TMUC, and they are offered by University of Hertfordshire. And a lot of students have went abroad to pursue their further studies. Many students have their own businesses and their family businesses as well. So all the strategies and tactics they're learning from HND program, they're applying in their businesses and taking their business to a higher level. Every student has their own goals, and TMUC makes sure that they achieve their dreams. The professional staff and faculty out there, they are there to help them select their appropriate programs. They conduct multiple career counseling sessions and connect them to the industry so they get real hands-on experience. International degrees offered at TMUC are recognized everywhere, so students can work in UK or in fact anywhere around the globe. International degrees provide students the exposure to diverse perspectives, business cultures, and that gives a competitive advantage to the students in the global job market. Admissions are open at TMUC for fall 2023, so apply right now at TMUC and get your international exposure.